Hi, you may have seen through my social media sites lately that I'm going on a huge trip, or a very long trip. So the last 2 months I've been boiling down, getting rid of all my, selecting what I want to take on my trip with me, what camera gear, what's going to work for what I want to do, get it down to, we all got those cameras, we got those lenses, more lenses than we got fingers. But I thought I'll run through my ultimate package, what I think works for me. Obviously this is my budget. Anyone's got different camera lenses and different styles. This is what I like. So I'm going to start with the body, the Nikon D610, beautiful lightweight, well not lightweight I shouldn't say, but a beautiful machine, does everything for you. I have a 50mm 1.8 gauge for my portraits or anything like that. I want to do some nice crisp shots, got that. A 20mm wide angle lens, 1.8, so it gets some nice stars and everything in there for the Milky Way. Beautiful lens, that one. And a 70 to 300mm lens just for all my wildlife shots or anything from far distance. Also, I'm only carrying around one filter for that. That's going from my 70. That just makes it, well, not my 70, my 20. What am I talking about? It's 77mm lens. I have a Mavic Platinum Pro for my aerial shots and everything. A couple of filters there for the ND range, 4, 6, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Just got them. So that's right. So then also GoPro for my vlogging and the Karma to keep it all still. Other than that, nice Yogo Laptop, 360, so I can do all my touching up and everything on the go. Power pack, we all know about these. Got to have them, need them. You don't charge them on. Sometimes some people do. If you've got a drone, you can use these batteries as power packs. There is an adapter. I highly recommend it if you've got you don't have this room for it. Just get the little tiny adapter on thing. But if you want the flying hours, it's a catch-22. Also, a couple of hard drives here for my storage. Your iPhone. Where would you be without a phone? And this one thing that makes most of my photography possible is a tripod. Now, I highly recommend a carbon fiber tripod when you're traveling. These things are light, small, and very versatile. This goes up to still 1.6 meters. I carried around a steel one that went up to 1.8, and it was like 3.5 kilos. So you imagine carrying around that plus all this. This is like 1.2 kilos of weight here, carbon fiber. Highly recommend going out, spending extra dollars for that sort of stuff. Of course, all your gadgets, all your gears, all your cords, all your batteries and everything like that. But there's one added bonus I get to carry around as a non-photographer. If you haven't seen my other work or my visual arts works, I get to carry around a 170 pencil case. Yeah. That's another thing I love doing is my visual art. So besides just on the photography, please check out my visual art pages as well. Any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And obviously, I love it if you would follow my journey. It's going to be epic. It's a couple of months already in the planning, or planned. But yeah, all videos will come out. Please subscribe to my channel. Happy shooting.